So in this video, we will learn how to convert the equation from y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 into the slope y-intercept form, which is y is equals to mx plus b. So m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Now y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1, and we'll convert it into this form, and then we'll find out the slope and y-intercept. So this is the first example. So first we rearrange. So y minus 3 equals, so we distribute this 6 times x, so 6x, and 6 times positive 8, so it's positive 48. And then as we want to isolate y as per the required result, so we add 3 on both sides. So this 3 minus 3 cancels out, and then we are left with y equals 6x, the 6x, and 48 plus 3, so it is 51. So we can see it is in the form y is equals to mx plus b. And if we try to see, so what is the value of m? So m is 6, and how much is b? So b is 51. So this is the way we find out the slope and the y-intercept when the equation is given in the slope point slope form. Now example 2. In this it is y plus 2 is equals to minus 2 times x minus 6. So first step, we distribute the right side. So y plus 2 equals minus 2 times this and minus 2 times minus 6. So it is minus 2x, and minus it is plus. So 2 times 6 is then 12. So then it's always the method that we have to isolate the y. So for that we subtract 2 on both sides. So this 2 goes away, and we are left with y equals, so minus 2x, and 12 minus 2 will be then plus 10. So if we compare it with this one, so from here we can then write that m is minus 2 and the y-intercept is 10. So this is the slope here, and this one is the y-intercept. Now next example. So here we have some fractions also. So now we solve this also the same way. So first thing, y minus 2 is equal to, will distribute with minus 2/3 x. So minus 2/3 times first this, and then with this one. So minus 2/3 x, and then minus, when you multiply, so it is minus 8/3. And then to isolate y, so we add 2 on both sides. So this 2 and minus 2 cancels out. So we are now having y equals, so on the right side it is minus 2/3 x, and when we add and subtract these numbers, so it is plus 2 and minus 8/3. So we make the denominator same for this, and now we write it as y is equals to minus 2/3 x plus, so this 2/3, 2/1, and minus 8/3. So to make the denominator same, we times it by 3, and we have y equals minus 2/3 x. So this is your 6/3 minus 8/3, which we can write it as y is equals to minus 2/3 x. So the constants 6/3 and minus 8/3 will be then minus 2/3. So if we compare it with this equation, so you can see that how much is the m value and how much is b. So m is minus 2/3 and b is also minus 2/3. Now example 4. In this also we have some fractions here. So now we simplify it the same way. So we write y minus 1/2. So first we distribute with 3. So it is 3x, and distributing it with the constant now. So it is 6/5. And then to isolate y, we add 1/2 on both sides. So these cancels out, and we are now having y equals 3x plus, so the positive number I'm writing this one first, and then plus 1/2. So these two when we add, so how do we add these one? By making the denominator same for them. So y is equals to 3x plus, so this is 6/5 plus 1/2. So to make denominator same, so we times it by 2 and times this one with 5. So which is y is equal to 3x plus, this is 12 over 10 and this is 5 over 10. So next step we write y equals 3x plus, so this will be 17 over 10. So if we compare with this one, so m value is 3 and b value is 17 over 10. So this is the slope, this one is y-intercept. So pause the video and try these questions and check your answers in the next slide. So these are the answers, so check these ones and thank you.